Hey, hello everyone. So in the previous video we saw about merge commit and squash merge and how they handle combining branches in different way. So in this video we are going to look at another important concept called rebase. So rebase is used to move or replay commits from one branch onto another branch. So creating a linear project history without an extra merge commit, it helps keeps the commit history clean and easy to follow, especially in collaborative projects. So now that we understand the concept, let's move on to the demo and see how rebase work in the Git. So today we're gonna see about rebase. Actually, we are going to create a actually we are going to create a new file. So actually the file we can name it as Vinod Kumar .py, and yeah, so we are just creating a simple file with a string where a is equal to Vinod Kumar. So yeah, so we have created and we are committing. So actually we are going to create a new branch. So then only we can merge and then we'll be able to do a rebase merge. So yeah, I'm just changing the branch name as feature branch. Yeah, so I'm just proposing to commit. So here, the first commit has been done, and yeah, so like yeah, we should be having at least 2 to 3 commits so that while doing a rebus merge, you can able to see the difference. Yeah, so in main, I'm creating one file. Yeah, so which is the satish.py, and here yeah, b is equal to satish. We are giving it in a string. It's just a test file, so it can be anything because just we are going to do commit, right? So we are just having a file here, and yeah, I'm committing the change in the main actually now. So before it was in a new branch, now it is in main. Okay, so now the main branch already went forward, and our feature branch also has one file actually. So can able to see in main branch there is one add variable Satish has been updated. So that is one commit which is went forward in main it is went forward the first commit. Okay, so yeah, the add variable a is done before actually. We have no context with that, and yeah, so the one which committed was the variable b. Okay, so now we need to again go to the feature branch and we need to go for this second commit in the feature branch because we have already done a commit with Vinod Kumar. If you see if you see the commits, there will be Vinod Kumar here. So as you see, add variable a with value Vinod Kumar. So this is the one commit which we done it in the feature branch while creating a new branch. Again, like we are going to add a new file here. Yeah, we can add a new file here, and yeah, we can name it as mohan.py. So yeah, can assign a variable c is equal to mohan dot uh, mohan. So string. Yeah, so we are committing in the new branch only. So again, like our new branch has two commit and not new branch, it is like feature branch which I mentioned earlier. Like our feature branch has two commit and our main branch has one commit. Okay, so you can see that this branch is two commit ahead of and one commit behind main. So that's how it tells. So if you see the commits, we can able to see there are two commits in the feature branch, which is the new branch we created from the main branch. And yeah, so as you know, like main branch has only one commit, which is Satish, which we have done. So yeah, uh, yeah. So you see the main branch will be able to see the Satish like at a variable b with a value Satish in a Satish.py. So now we need to do a pull request to merge the feature branch with the main branch. So here we are just going with the compare and pull request, and here you can see the feature branch is going to the main branch. Is this a description we need to give? Yeah, just we can test like we are testing rebase actually. So I'm just creating a pull request here. So I'm just creating a pull request, and I'm the one of the main branch, so it will be coming again to me only. So yeah, you can able to see the merge request, like we're going to do rebase and merge. Okay, so you can see like the two commits from this branch will be rebased and added to the base branch. Okay, so this is how like it's going to do. So yeah, I'm confirming and rebasing the merge. So yeah, it is successful, and yeah, anyway, like if the pull request is done, we can able to delete the branch feature branch. So I'm just deleting that. So if we are going to the main repo now, so yeah, this is the main repo. If you go to the commit, you can see the commits are, it's like linear type. There is no other merge commit. Like if you are doing a simple merge, there will be a merge commit. If you are doing with squash and merge, it will be another pull request commit, like a thing. So as we saw it in a previous uh, previous video, which is like difference between squash and squash merge and normal merge. So which, if you don't watch that video, you can go and watch that video, so you'll be able to get the difference between this rebase and so there is a three comparison, like comparison we had earlier. So merge commit and squash and merge, and then this is the rebase. Okay, so you can see it is like we have worked on the main branch continuously. There is no reference that it has been coming from the any of the feature branch. There is no uh, history like we have created any pull request here, because that is how this rebase and merge will work actually. So there will be no pull request history will be there here. It will be like working in the same branch with a linear history. So this is how rebase work actually. Yeah, so this is the example we are able to see for the rebase. If you didn't watch the video of merge commit and this thing, merge commit and this question merge, yeah, you can go and check that as well. Thank you for watching.